All right, we're going to reset the oil light on a 2023 Honda Accord. I'm going to show you two different methods. So if the first method that I show does not work, just wait for the second method. So we're going to use the buttons that are on the steering wheel, specifically this button right here. You can scroll up or down with it, or you can click it. So we're going to scroll down, and that's going to change this screen. Scroll down until you get to settings. Now with the same button, click. So click on vehicle settings. Now with the same button, scroll down again until you get to maintenance reset. Now with the same button, click on maintenance reset. Scroll down with the same button. All due items. Now click with the same button. Reset completed. Your oil light is now reset. So if you have the touchscreen, just start by clicking the home button. We're already on home. Scroll to the right, and you want to find vehicle settings right here. Click that. Now you have all these different options. Scroll to the right again and find maintenance information. Click that. And now select reset items. And you can either choose all due items or just oil and filter. All due. Reset. And that is going to reset your oil life as well. Put it back on the home. You're good to go.